Ever spent hours adding print statements to hunt down a bug, only to realize there's a better way? Breakpoints are your secret weapon for debugging efficiently. A breakpoint is a marker that tells your IDE to pause code execution at a specific line. When your program hits that line, everything freezes, giving you a snapshot of what's happening right at that moment. No more guessing or logging. You can see exactly what your program is doing in real time. It's like hitting pause on a movie to examine a single frame. Setting a breakpoint is dead simple. In most IDEs like IntelliJ, Eclipse, or VS Code, you just click in the gutter. That's the space next to the line numbers, and a red dot appears. You can also use keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl F8 in IntelliJ or F9 in VS Code. Click once to set it, click again to remove it. Here's where breakpoints shine. When execution pauses, you can inspect every variable in scope. Their current values, types, even nested objects. Your IDE's debug panel shows all local variables, and you can hover over variables in your code to see their values. This lets you verify assumptions and catch bugs the moment they happen. Once paused, you control the flow. Step over executes the current line and moves to the next. Step into dives into method calls to see what's happening inside. Step out finishes the current method and returns to the caller. And continue resume's normal execution until the next breakpoint. These controls let you walk through your code line by line, understanding exactly how data flows. Pro tip: use conditional breakpoints when you only care about specific cases. For example, pause only when a counter equals 100 or when an exception is thrown. This saves you from hitting breakpoints hundreds of times in a loop. Breakpoints let you pause execution, inspect state, and step through code, transforming debugging from guesswork into precision. Master this, and you'll never go back to print statements. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.